Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to record on Snapchat without holding. So I just tap on my Snapchat account and what to do, just hold it, this snap option. When you hold it, you will see the option with this, you will see this arrow left. So you will swipe for left and it will be automatically record your video without holding it. You can see, you can zoom it and zoom out anytime, and this is how to record a Snapchat video without holding. You can save it in the camera roll, so it's very easy and simple. You can also add any filter with of your choice. You can just select any filter and just tap to hold it and swipe to left, and it will be logged and recorded automatically. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.